Hello guys, the wig I will feature in this video is from HerGivenHair. I will just go ahead and do the unboxing video first. It came with a wig bag, and this one is very handy, and I really like it. And they also came with protective headband. This headband is very good, and they also good with your natural hair. If you want to go to bed, you just use the headband, the protective headband, to wrap your hair. It's very good. I will advise you, if you want to order this wig, also order the headband. Came with a pamphlet how to care and co-wash the wig, which is very good. And they also put details of the wig. You wrote it on the box, which I love so much. You tell all the girls to know. And then came with some combs and elastic band. I will be sewing the elastic band to the wig later. I will just go ahead and show you guys the wig first before I go and co-wash the wig. Oh my gosh, very full. This unit is called Something About Mary. They made the wig with a closure, and at the back, machine weaving. Style B, 350 gram. Very full, really very full. You guys know how I love full hair. And the texture is coily, while the length 18 inches. The wig came with combs and the adjustable straps at the back. I hope you guys can see it. What I will do is to sew in elastic band. It's very good to sew in elastic band to close your wig. It makes you feel good. Oh yeah. Use the elastic band to measure my head, and then I will cut it. I know you're out of my league, but that would scare me away. No. You carried on so long. I used needle and thread to sew the elastic band to the wig. I'll be using white tooth comb and the tango brush. And the conditioner I will be using is called Argan Oil of Morocco and Hair Mayonnaise conditioner. I will also be using a little bit of argan oil glaze. I will just go ahead and co-wash the wig. The water I will be using, not too warm, not too hot. You couldn't stop if you tried it. I'll press the Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I don't like to shampoo my curly wigs. I only conditioned my curly wigs. You built your wall so high that no one could climb it, but I'm gonna try to let me see beneath your beautiful delight. Me, see beneath your perfect. Take it off now, boy, take it off now. I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beauty? I allowed the conditioner to stay for 15 minutes, and then I just went ahead and applied the hair mayonnaise conditioner. I will just apply it, finger comb. I'll brush it a little bit. I will rinse off the conditioner. I will just allow the wig to dry. This is the shading I got from the wig. This is after 1 week that I could wash the wig. I could not film the video a day after. And I went ahead and cut off the excess lace, and I left a little bit of extra lace at the front. I will go ahead and put on the wig. Look at the fullness, because the hair is also very dried after 1 week. I will spray water later. But just like, what will I do with this? I will not be using this wig to do middle part. I just like sprayed in a little bit of water. It was really dried, and this is it. And I will just use the styling comb to push it up a little bit.
Just like the sun, light up the earth, the light of my life, yeah.
And then this is the back.
The only one I ever seen with a smile so bright, yeah. Just yesterday.
And for the second style, I will just push the wig back a little bit, and I will bring some hair at the front just to make that bang. You can see very full. Push it up a little bit, and you can actually order any density of your choice, because mine is 350 grams. Just imagine much. You can also order 100 grams or 200 grams. For the third style, this is my favorite, and this is the style I will be doing with this wig. Front bun. We'll section out a little bit of hair and then use a band to tie the hair and just roll it round like this, making a band at the front. And the details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed these 3 styles I showed you guys in this video, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in my next one.
You came around my way. You changed my whole